to address the problem of social acceptability, what we're doing is we're trying to enhance the basic solar disinfection technique with things like putting tin foil at the back of the bottle to enhance the temperature. There are very simple compounds, photocatalysts, that can speed up the inactivation. Things like titanium dioxide. You might say, titanium what? Titanium dioxide is in toothpaste, it's the whitening agent in aspirin. It's completely inert until you shine light on it. But once you shine light on it, it becomes highly oxidative and it speeds up the inactivation process. Now you might say to yourself, okay, we know solar disinfection works. How does it work? What happens basically is, first of all, you can think of it as a sunburn factor. The solar UV interacts with the cell and it degrades the cell membrane and it damages the organelles, tiny structures within the bacteria. Now bacteria have been around for a long time and they've developed techniques for repairing this damage. And these are switched on by certain genes. But the nice thing about solar disinfection is, with water like that, if you stuck that in equatorial sun, that would get to a temperature of about 45 degrees Celsius. At 45 degrees Celsius, you're getting to the temperatures where you're doing a slow pasteurization. So what happens is the temperature is so high that the repair techniques don't work anymore. So even though the cells are damaged, they can't repair damage. So eventually they die. So it's a very simple process that so far we haven't been able to find a single bacterial species that causes disease that can withstand the solar disinfection environment. So my PhD was in semiconductor spectroscopy of transition metals in silicon. That's got nothing to do with what I do now. I'm working on research in developing countries. So while my PhD, the only benefit it might do to you is you might get your mobile phone message 0.4 microseconds faster. The stuff I'm doing now, we measure the success in terms of percentage reduction in infant mortality. So from that point of view, it's a very rewarding process. But it's not all a bed of roses. You can see behind me some of the countries I work in. I work in, there's Kenya, some of the water quality that we're dealing with. I was in Cambodia back in November, and Guatemala. I was there at the beginning of October,